Hello and welcome to this 5-minute emergency calm meditation brought to you by the Silver Academy. If this is your first time with us, just make sure that you're seated or lying down somewhere where you won't be disturbed. So if you're ready, we can begin. Just gently place your hands somewhere comfortable, perhaps in your lap, and then just slowly close your eyes. Take in some nice, long, deep breaths in through your nose and slowly release back out through your nose. And just do that one more time. Okay, so as this is an emergency calm, we're going to need to give you some really nice quick relief from whatever sensations you were feeling before the session. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some rhythmic counting and diaphragmic breathing exercises, just so that we can slow your heart rate down and re-regulate that breathing so that you can feel calmer straight away. So we'll be breathing in for the count of 4, holding at the bottom of our stomach for 4, and then slowly releasing for the count of 8. So if you're ready, breathe in through your nose, 2, 3, 4, and then hold 2, 3, 4, and then slowly release 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and breathe in 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4, and release 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more cycle, 2, 3, 4, and hold 2, 3, 4, and release 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. Just continue for maybe 1 or 2 cycles, unassisted. Well done. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just go back to a normal breathing pattern and just focus on the rush of the air going in through your nose and then slowly back out through your nose, rushing over your upper lip. Just keep breathing deeply. Now each time you exhale, you're going to focus on letting your shoulders relax, all the small muscles in your shoulders just drop away downwards into the ground, that tension disappearing. And then you're going to focus on each breath again, in through your nose and out. And this time focus on your hands relaxing. We tend to tighten up these areas when we're feeling really anxious. So to give ourselves a bit of immediate relief from that tension, every time we breathe out now, we're going to focus on those 2 areas in particular. Breathe in and out, and feel the tension slipping away from your hands and your shoulders. Just going to leave you alone now for 30 seconds to focus on this yourself. Excellent, you're doing really well. We're just coming to the end of your 5-minute emergency calm. If you feel the need to sit further, just quickly press that replay button and then just sit through the session again. If you'd like to finish now, just slowly open your eyes. Excellent job. Well done. You did something really important today. Instead of reacting, you took the decision to take a step aside and focus your mind somewhere else. And as a result, instead of reactivity, you've responded with a calm head, and you can move forward with whatever happens next with clarity and skill. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you take a little bit of time to click that like button, subscribe to the channel and leave a nice positive comment. And if you click the little notification bell, you'll get a reminder for when we release a new session. Thank you and see you soon.